I'm going to get a physical examination. To me, that urine sample, giving them that's always a pleasure, isn't it? And then there's always the amount question. I don't know what you need. I mean, I gave you whatever I had there. I got more. I mean, whatever you need, I can get it for you. Just let me know what you need. I mean, it's no problem. I mean, but any kind of physical test, I don't know what it is. I always kind of click into this thing where I want to do really well. You know, if it's going to be a physical test, I want to do well. You know, like remember when you were in school and they do those hearing tests and you'd really be listening, you know, trying to do well. I want to do well. You know, I wanted to do unbelievable on the hearing test. I wanted them to come over to me after the hearing test and go, "We think you may have something close to super hearing. What you heard was a cotton ball touching a piece of felt. We're sending the results to Washington. We'd like you to meet the president."